let's talk about the basics of using layers in Photopea. So, if you want to add a new layer, simply click on this icon here, new layer, the folded paper. We'll have a new layer. If you want to move a layer around, click on it, drag it, drop it where you want. If you want to hide a layer, click this icon right here, the eye. If you want to rename a layer, just double click at the name of the layer and change it to whatever you want. Click outside. That's it. Now let me teach you about the difference between opacity and fill. I'll show you on this image right here. This is a text that I put in this image and then I added stroke to it. So opacity will change the opacity of everything that is on the canvas, just like this. And fill will change the transparency of only the text, but it will leave the effect that I've added alone, just like this. Now, if you want to duplicate a layer, simply right click on it, duplicate layer. That's it. If you have two projects like here, open, and you want to move this layer from here to the other project, simply click on it, drag it over the other project, release it. Here it is. Then you can use free transform to make it bigger or smaller as you like. Also, if you want to merge layers or to put them together, you can use merge or grouping. So let me show you the difference. Here I have these two text layers that I want to group together in a folder. You first click one of them, click on Control, click the other one. Now they have been highlighted together. Click on this folder right here and they are grouped now in one folder together. If you want to remove it from this folder, just simply drag it outside and put it out. Or if you want to merge them together, again, Control, click them both and right click, merge layers. Here it is. But you have to be careful. Once you merge them together, you cannot separate them again. So if you want to merge them, just make sure that you need them merged like that. And that's it. If you want to watch more tutorials on Photopea, subscribe to my channel or click on the video that is showing on the screen right now. Or you can grab my free guide from the description for Photopea. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.